Global private equity funds did a record performance in 2018, topping an impressive surge in the value of investments in the past 5 years to $2.5 trillion. Limited partners (LPs) or investors remained highly enthusiastic and continued to pump fresh capital into the market, according to the 10th annual Global Private Equity Report by management consultancy firm Bain Co. Total buyout value jumped 10% in 2018 to $582 billion, leading to the strongest 5-year run in the industry's history, it said. The performance owed much to an upswing in public-to-private transactions, which globally recorded their highest value since the previous take-private boom in 2006-07. While stiff competition and high multiples made it challenging to find deals in 2018, they also made it a great time to exit. With 1,146 transactions valued at $378 billion, exit activity came in on par with 2017. The robust performance brought total disclosed exit value since 2014 to $2 trillion, by far the largest 5-year total on record, said the Bain report. We've seen some of the highest levels of capital raised and put to work, the most exits and decent returns, said Hugh MacArthur, global head of Bain Co.'s private equity practice. Chronically heavy competition is driving deal multiples to historic highs, and growing jitters about an eventual economic downturn are impacting decision-making. These risks are raising the bar for the buyer to do great due diligence, which involves integrating both the commercial and operational sides of diligence, and to structure deals thoughtfully. Despite the steady pace of investment, PE dry powder, money which is not yet invested, has been on the rise since 2012 and hit a record high of $2 trillion at year-end 2018 across all PE fund types. The buildup of excess capital is putting pressure on PE firms to find deals, but the good news is that buyout firms hold 67% of their dry powder in funds raised over the last 2 years, the report added. Fund managers raised $714 billion from investors during the year, the third largest amount on record, bringing the total since 2014 to $3.7 trillion. Buyout funds continued to draw the biggest share of capital, but investor interest during this record stretch has been broad and deep.